Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best split air conditioners on Amazon. Split air conditioners are known for their high efficiency, quiet operation, and ability to cool large areas. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Senville Split Air Conditioner. As the temperatures rise, staying cool and comfortable is essential. Luckily, the Senville Split Air Conditioner is here to help. With 12,000 BTUs and AI compatibility, this product has earned its spot at the top of our list. This smart appliance is mobile app compatible, and it even responds to voice commands. You can easily adjust the temperature settings from anywhere, and the unit also features a built-in heat pump, dehumidifier, fan, and turbo function. Designed for both home and commercial use, it offers powerful performance and dependable durability with a sleek and attractive appearance. It's an ideal choice for cooling bedrooms, living rooms, and business establishments, such as stores, restaurants, and even warehouses. The unit comes complete with an indoor air handler, outdoor condensers, a remote control, and an installation kit with a 16-foot line set and communication wire. What we like about it: energy efficient and cost-effective. Functions as a cooler and a heater. Multiple sizes are available. What we don't like about it: the filter needs to be cleaned often. Number 2. Cooper & Hunter Split Air Conditioner. Split Air Conditioner. This product is pre-charged with an inverter heat pump and comes complete with a 16-foot installation kit. With an impressive SEER rating of 20.8, this ALA-listed and RE-certified product is both energy efficient and eco-friendly. The system comes pre-charged with refrigerant and can work for heating with ambient temperatures up to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The installation kit includes a 16-foot pre-flared insulated copper line set, as well as communication wires, small accessories, and a 16-foot drainage extension. This top-of-the-line system offers quiet operation, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and commercial use. Plus, the product is backed by a 7-year compressor warranty and a 5-year parts warranty, so you can rest assured that your purchase is protected. What we like about it: low noise operation. Suitable for residential and commercial use. Comes with installation essentials. What we don't like about it: requires professional installation. Number 3. Pioneer Split Air Conditioner. Tired of constantly adjusting your thermostat to stay comfortable in your home? Check out the Pioneer Split Air Conditioner. This affordable unit is designed to keep you cool during the hottest summer days and warm during the coldest winter nights. This appliance is the ultimate solution for year-round comfort. Whether you need to cool down in the summer or stay warm in the winter, this system has you covered with a powerful 12,000 BTU capacity and high efficiency ratings. Thanks to its versatile design, it's suitable for use in homes and small to medium-sized businesses. What we like about it: multiple size selections. Comes with a user-friendly remote. What we don't like about it: the outdoor unit may be smaller than expected. Number 4. Della Split Air Conditioner. Available in sizes ranging from 9,000 BTUs to 36,000 BTUs, the Della Split Air Conditioner features an ultra-quiet operation of 30 to 41 bar, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms, offices, and nighttime use. This unit doubles as a heater and is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a smart and reliable system to cool and heat their home. It offers 12,000 BTUs of cooling power, making it suitable for spaces up to 750 square feet. It's equipped with a variety of smart settings, including automatic defrost, self-diagnosis cleaning, a timer function, sleep mode, energy-saving mode, multiple fan speeds, and more. The sensor detects the room's temperature and adjusts the unit's airflow and temperature accordingly for optimal comfort and energy efficiency. What we like about it: equal airflow distribution. Also functions as a heater. Wi-Fi compatible for easy control. What we don't like about it: installation can be time-consuming. Number 5. Olmo Split Air Conditioner. If you're searching for a high-quality AC unit to keep you cool and comfortable, the Olmo Split Air Conditioner is a great choice. With a high 17.4 SEER rating, this pre-charged ductless model delivers powerful cooling and heating power. This impressive system is designed to work in ambient temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. With whisper quiet technology, it hardly makes any noise, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and even commercial use. The filter is removable and washable, eliminating the need for costly replacement filters. What we like about it: cools, dries, and heats. Hose extension doesn't kink. What we don't like about it: warranty only valid with professional installation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.